We're going. Happy Saturday, everyone! So today we're going to Shell Harbor with besties. $1 billion can island safari.
We're gonna do
Hanlaya.
shopping.
Yeah. Riri, and where's Mommy Cherry Berry? Oh, so she went back and we're gonna check it. Wow, look how much she got in there. More dollars. Wow. Oh, so, hot mama. Sana all.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Hi, good morning.
Finally.
Yes, morning, oy. And that's cherry berry.
Finally.
So let's go. I need to wear my seatbelt.
And then she wiped the back camera. Yeah.
Instead of the front. That's funny.
No common sense. Oh my God.
No, sometimes, sometimes you don't wear it, You leave it somewhere, the common sense.
Yeah. It's not common anyway.
Only sense. Oh, that's funny. At least I make you laugh, Less wrinkle. Charot. I always said, why it's blurred, huh?
Yeah, why it's blurred? And then she wiped the
At the back of the camera, and then I thought that's it was still blurred. Oh dear, so fun. Oh, let's go. Weather update is like sunny days. The temperature of how many degrees? 17 degrees Celsius. No, rainy days. I said the rainy days.
You just say sunny then.
Did I say?
Yeah.
Okay, good again. So I will update you the temperature 17 degrees and then it's rainy days.
Yep.
So rain or shine, we'll go in Shell Harbor. So see you soon. Oh, it's so foggy too. Oh my camera. So after driving,
You're not driving.
yeah, you're driving like 50 minutes. We're nearly here in Shell Harbor Mall. Who's excited? Riri, your $1 million.
Billions. She said billion.
billion dollars. So yes, this is our Christmas shopping. Because last time
$5 now each 100
think positive, hey? That's good.
Oh, you know what?
1 hour later.
Yeah, so after 50 minutes drive, thank you. We're here now. Yay! So Christmas shopping on the go. Oh, we're gonna go.
Because too many cars coming here.
So we're in the car park. We're going inside. So we're here.
Oh, there is one
Yeah.
there. Look, that
Yeah, there's one there too.
one there.
So let's go. Samahan niyo kami. So we're inside. Yep.
So do you have gloves? I mean, mask. I can buy. So yeah, this one's $10. Okay.
Huh? And let's go. Stop. Nasa Target. Tapos mag-vlog mo. Kasi na kayo yun sila. So, shopping for Christmas. So, there he is. Hi, hon. Yes, I'm getting my pants. My uniform. Our Miss Organizer. So, tapos na kami sa space. Tapos na kami sa yay! Yes, I think it's okay to take the hanger.
Yeah, I know.
And I also got in love.
We're here in the Target and we're organizing
I
our
want to show
stuff.
them what I got.
Yes, what you got? Later, okay? So we're gonna move to the next shop.
Okay. Bye. See you.
Next stop is Best and Less Shop and we're gonna find something special for Riri on her birthday. So si Cherry Berry at nandun sila at nagsisiperate kami para makabili kami ng regalo. So let's have a peek what we're gonna get for Riri. Wow! Something nice. So let's go. Lunch now, so let's go. Let's go, Day. We're going to getting our lunch. We're gonna buy. Hello, yes. While waiting for our lunch, Riri has had her KFC lunch and Leah and Cherry Berry is getting something to eat too. So yeah, time check. Do you have time, Rihanna? So far we just been to 3 shops.
Yeah.
And
We're
then,
gonna go to 10 billion more.
yes, and there's more to go.
Oh. No. Leah said there might be a Santa Claus actually upstairs. So I'm gonna ask Mark to pick up the escalator and I can get a solo.
Okay. And today, what's in my bag? Guess what's in my bag? Wow! Right, it's live. So I bring something for lunch. And then I just buy a Viand, Sudan. Because I love
Someone
rice.
pulled my unicorn fat.
Oh no!
I'm gonna cry.
Oh, don't cry, my bubble. Why are you crying? You're not waiting for us.
Yeah.
So enjoy eating, okay? Let's go now. Did you see something? Not yet. Okay.
And then
We have bit of everything. Ready for lunch. Oh. That's plenty.
yeah, nothing was on.
Yeah.
I got the naan bread.
That's our food.
You got
Oh.
hang on, not finished yet. Naan bread. Is that from Xi'an?
There's a unicorn. And Riri's enjoying her dinner, lunch. So we're having our lunch now. As usual, Riri's ready. Let's eat. So we're finished our lunch. We're going now to the next shop. Shop until you drop. We're in the second floor now. Ito, continuation of shopping. Really? So what you gonna buy? We'll see, okay? Santa Claus is coming. What did you drink? Chicken. We're gonna find something good again. Merry Christmas. There's a table sitting at the back for Merry Christmas. Christmas na talaga in the city and there's a nice Christmas tree and there's taking selfie. So yeah, you can feel the spirit of Christmas now. Look at the unicorn over here. Whoa. Selfie. Very nice day. Your table is ready for the Christmas Lord again. So while waiting with Cherry Berry with and Riri, Lord again. Waiting with Riri and Cherry Berry. They're buying something sa likod. So where are we gonna go after? We're gonna downstairs and we're gonna buy something that will shop until you drop. So sobrang puno na yung trolley mo han. Overfull. Fill up. So, I'll see you later. Parang nadadrop na kami ng konti. Napapagod na. Ha?
Hindi siya check out na naman.
Oh, same mind ay.
Labo
So,
ko ba sin ani?
yun at nalagat. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay? Dollar thing. So, ang daming binili ni Rihanna. Inuubos niya yung mall. Wow, grabe. You know, did you buy though? Very. Okay. Butterfly. Click.
And I got an octopus.
And you got an octopus.
A big unicorn. That's
Wow, shopping. Shopping galore. So we're going now. So shop until you drop.
Oh.
Sila Cherry na nagkapoy na. Huh? Drop. Yeah. Let's go. Where? So it's Christmas tree. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's Christmas time. Next stop is $3 yung baratuhon na shop. Ang itatag sa maayos. Mayroon na baligya. Then after all, Merry Christmas. Bili tayo ng hat para sa work. Kasi summer na hot. Hindi tayo mainitan. Ready to go to the beach. And sumhig. Walang balik sa bahay. We're going home. We're done our shopping galore. Shop until you drop. So, yung trolley namin is punong-puno yung trolley. So, thank you for watching, beautiful people. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
Hi.
Not you. What? And then it's Pasko.
Let's go! Thank you, baby!
Okay, so Jenna is at the back, and this is my unicorn. He sits next to me, and I'm in the car right now. I opened it, and it's getting darker because I think it just got darker just then. You saw that. Let's put on the light. Yeah, there's no light. I need light. There's no lights, so I'll just look at the window. Yeah, back from here. I did the shopping spree like a unicorn, and I even got a dream catcher and a sketch pad, and
After we're here in the Asian shops in town. What happened, hon?
Green.
Oh, the lady finger?
Just buy them.
We're going to Kmart now. Astak Lanulis. And look at my beautiful beastie. Just wearing a barefoot, wearing a barefoot.
We'll buy a thong there.
It looks like you're in the so funny. So, like here, but the people here just doesn't care, right?
No.
In our country, like if you're going like in your country, Uganda, like that. We're going home after the long day, so thank you, Han, for the today for the left for the right left right turn around. So it's time to go home now and have some rest. So thank you, my beautiful peeps. See you on my next vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Sunday, everyone. Today we're having lunch in Leia's house again before we're going back to work tomorrow. So thank you, Han, for the lunch today.
When I after. We just remember. Wow, when you have time to cook this? Oh my goodness.
Hello. Thank you, Han. Luina. Thank you for having us. Lunch again. Lunch here.
Siapa lagi yang datang dia? Yang nggak udah.
Yeah, true. I agree. That some people are racist.
10-year-old boy and my brother was 12, my sister was 9.
You are from Germany, right?
Yeah. My God, did we have problems here in Australia with the Aussies?
But the thing is, yeah, you're white, you know, us,
Doesn't matter,
we're
mate.
really clear that we're,
Like a brown.
yeah, we're brown.
We were Nazis, don't forget, we had a war with the,
Oh, really?
the Second World War. Oh yeah, fun and games.
But-
in those days, in racism, if you complained to the police, they'd say, piss off, get out of here. Stand up for yourself.